Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I wish all of you good health. Let's start today's video. Introduction. Picture this, you just got up from a chair, and that familiar, nagging pain in your joints hits you again. Every move you make is accompanied by a sharp twinge, and the idea of walking or doing simple tasks feels more and more distant from your reality. What if I told you there's a surprisingly fast solution that could eliminate your joint pain for up to 15 years? Yes, you heard that right. 15 years. We all know that joint pain can creep in with time, whether it's from the natural effects of aging, old injuries, or even chronic inflammation. But what many don't realize is that there's a simple and effective way to restore your joint health and eliminate pain without expensive medications or invasive treatments. Why joints hurt over time? Today, we're going to dive into exactly how you can heal your joints and get rid of pain in a natural and long-lasting way. But before we get into that, it's crucial to understand what's going on inside your body. Why do your joints hurt so much? Joints are covered by a layer of cartilage that acts as a cushion, protecting the bones from grinding against each other during movement. As we age, this cartilage starts to wear down. The synovial fluid, which lubricates the joints, can also thicken, meaning movement becomes more difficult and painful. On top of that, inflammation in the tissues surrounding the joints can irritate nerves, causing that persistent pain. Your body can regenerate joints, but what many people don't realize is that, even with aging, your body has an incredible ability to regenerate tissue. Yes, that's right. Unlike, say, your teeth, your joints can naturally recover. So why do some people continue to suffer from joint pain, while others move easily, even in their later years? The secret to joint recovery. Recent discoveries show us that the secret to recovery lies in the right kind of care. And the answer might be simpler than you expect. Certain oils, natural foods, and light exercises can accelerate the process of regenerating cartilage and bone tissue. And no, we're not talking about expensive drugs or painful procedures. We're talking about natural oils, anti-inflammatory foods, and simple, effective exercises. Foods that fight inflammation. Let's start with food. Some foods can be real allies in the fight against joint pain. Fatty fish, like salmon and sardines, are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which dramatically reduce inflammation in your joints. Additionally, incorporating walnuts, almonds, and flax seeds into your diet provides essential nutrients to keep your joints healthy and flexible. Power of ginger and turmeric. Now, have you ever heard of the power of ginger and turmeric? These two ingredients are well known for their anti-inflammatory properties and can easily be added to your daily diet. Studies have shown that regular consumption of ginger can significantly reduce joint pain in people with osteoarthritis. Does bone broth restore cartilage? Another common question people ask is, does bone broth really help restore cartilage, or is that just a myth? The truth is that bone broth is rich in collagen, a protein that's crucial for joint health. Collagen helps fill in the gaps in worn-down joints, providing more flexibility and less pain. And the best part? It's super easy to make at home. Gelatin, a simple collagen boost. Here's another simple but powerful tip. Gelatin. Yes, the same gelatin you find at the grocery store can be a game changer for regenerating your joints. Gelatin is a natural form of collagen, and when consumed regularly, it can strengthen connective tissues. Try mixing 2 teaspoons of gelatin into a glass of cold water at night, and in the morning, add warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. Continue this for a month and see the difference. Movement is key to joint health. Now, let's talk about something essential. Movement. Believe it or not, avoiding movement can make your joint health worse. That's because movement helps produce more synovial fluid, that liquid that lubricates your joints. Low-impact exercises like swimming or light walking are great for keeping your joints moving and strengthening the muscles around them, which takes pressure off the joints. Strengthening muscles around joints. In fact, experts with over 30 years of experience in orthopedic care confirm that the secret to healthy joints is in strengthening the muscles around them. When your muscles are strong, they take the pressure off your joints, preventing excessive wear. And here's an interesting detail. Often, joint pain is caused by muscle tension points, not the joints themselves. Releasing those tension points can offer immediate and long-lasting relief. Pepper oil for instant relief. And if you're dealing with acute inflammation, there's a home remedy that can work wonders: pepper oil. Red pepper contains capsaicin, a substance that blocks pain signals and increases blood circulation to the affected area. You can make this oil at home by mixing fresh red peppers with vegetable oil and applying it to sore joints during flare-ups. Warm salt baths for relaxation. Another simple and effective trick is to take warm baths with sea salt. Sea salt has anti-inflammatory properties that can help relax the muscles around your joints and reduce inflammation. A warm bath with salt might be just what you need to ease tension and improve mobility. Conclusion. So, what can we conclude from all of this? The truth is, you don't have to live with pain. Small changes in your diet, how you move, and even the home remedies you use can make a surprising and long-lasting difference in the health of your joints. Imagine living pain-free for up to 15 years. It's not a distant dream. It's a reality you can achieve with these simple, natural tips. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family who need this information. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful health tips and updates. Your support is important for us to continue providing valuable content. You can also show appreciation and support for our work by clicking the join and thanks buttons below the video with a small token. Your journey to better health is a shared one, and together we can uplift each other towards wellness and a life full of movement and joy. Remember, your body is capable of remarkable healing given the chance and the right support. Treat it with care, patience, and love. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family who need this information. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful health tips and updates. Your support is important for us to continue providing valuable content. You can also show appreciation and support for our work by clicking the join and thanks buttons below the video with a small token. Your journey to better health is a shared one, and together we can uplift each other towards wellness and a life full of movement and joy. Remember, your body is capable of remarkable healing given the chance and the right support. Treat it with care, patience, and love. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.